Bitcoin's price remains the hottest topic in the crypto space. Will it skyrocket past $150,000, or are we heading for a brutal crash below $60,000? Investors want clear answers, so let's break down the most realistic price targets for Bitcoin in 2025, 2026, and beyond. Short-term Bitcoin price prediction, 2025 to 2026. Bullish scenario, $150,000 to $200,000. Bearish scenario, $40,000 to $60,000. What will drive prices up? Post-halving. Rally. Bitcoin's halving in April 2024 reduced the new supply entering the market. Historically, this has caused a major bull run within 12 to 18 months. Institutional demand. Bitcoin ETFs from BlackRock, Fidelity, and Grayscale are bringing billions into the market. Macroeconomic conditions. If inflation remains high and interest rates drop, Bitcoin could become a safe haven asset. Optimistic view. Some analysts believe Bitcoin could hit $150,000 to $200,000 by early 2025, following the same patterns as past cycles. Downside risks. If governments impose stricter regulations or major players start selling off, Bitcoin could dip below $40,000. Mid-term Bitcoin price prediction, 2026 to 2028. Bullish target, $150,000 to $250,000. Bearish target, $40,000 to $60,000. Why Bitcoin could surge to 250K mass adoption. If countries continue integrating Bitcoin as legal tender, like El Salvador did, demand will explode. Wall Street money. More institutional investors are treating Bitcoin as a long-term store of value. Fiat currency devaluation. Global economic instability could push big investors and even governments into Bitcoin. Some bold predictions. Tim Draper. Bitcoin will hit $250,000 by 2026. Cathie Wood, Arkey Invest. Bitcoin is on track for $600,000 plus if institutions allocate 5% of their assets. Standard Chartered Bank predicts Bitcoin reaching $200,000 by 2027. Bearish warning. If global economies recover and regulations tighten, Bitcoin could struggle to stay above $50,000. Long-term Bitcoin price prediction, 2030 and beyond. Ultra-bullish scenario, $500,000, 1 million. Worst-case scenario, 80,000 to 150,000. Is 1 M Bitcoin realistic? Stock-to-flow model suggests Bitcoin could be worth $1 million by 2032, assuming demand follows historical trends. Scarcity effect. By 2030, over 98% of Bitcoin will be mined, meaning new supply will be extremely limited. Global reserve asset. If countries start using Bitcoin in their central bank reserves, its price could skyrocket. Crazy predictions. Cathie Wood. Bitcoin will hit $1.5 million per coin by 2035 if institutions go all in. Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad author. Bitcoin is the future and it will reach $500,000 plus by 2030. Fidelity Report predicts Bitcoin reaching $1 million by 2035 as fiat currencies weaken. Risk factors. If a superior technology replaces Bitcoin or governments find ways to limit it, prices might stay between $80,000 to $150,000 instead. Conclusion. Should you buy Bitcoin now? If you believe in Bitcoin's long-term growth, buying at any price below $50,000 could be a smart move. If you're short-term focused, waiting for dips around $70,000 to $80,000 might be safer. If Bitcoin follows its historic cycles, the next few years could bring life-changing gains. So, will Bitcoin hit $150,000 soon? Many analysts think so, but in crypto, anything can happen.